Making $1 million might seem like an unattainable dream for many, but with a strategic approach, discipline, and dedication, it's a realistic goal. The process involves understanding the dynamics of money, making smart financial decisions, and seizing opportunities to generate wealth. This plan combines knowledge of economics, personal finance, and entrepreneurship to offer a comprehensive approach. Mindset and financial education. Before embarking on any path to wealth, it is crucial to adopt the right mindset and acquire a solid foundation in financial education. Develop an abundance mindset. Change your relationship with money. View money as a tool, not as an end in itself. This will help you make more strategic and less emotional decisions. Eliminate limiting beliefs. Statements like money is the root of all evil can sabotage your success. Believe that generating wealth is possible and positive. Invest in your financial education. Learn about concepts such as passive income, compound interest, assets, and liabilities. Read classic books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Richest Man in Babylon by George Clason. Enroll in courses on investments, financial management, and personal development. Increase your current income. Before investing or starting a business, many people need to optimize their current financial situation. Negotiate your salary. Research salary standards in your industry. Prepare solid arguments based on your performance and value to the company. Find secondary income streams. Freelance jobs on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Tutoring, content creation, or teaching in your area of expertise. Make use of extra time. Dedicate your free time to productive activities like learning new skills or starting side projects. Saving and investing. Building wealth requires your money to work for you, not just saving it. Save strategically. Follow the 50/30/20 rule, 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings/investments. Use high-yield savings accounts. Invest early and regularly. Compound interest is one of the most powerful tools for generating wealth. Example: if you invest $500 a month in an index fund with an average annual return of 8%, you'll reach $1 million in approximately 30 years. Diversify your investments. Stocks. Invest in ETFs or index funds to minimize risk. Real estate. Purchase rental properties or participate in REITs, real estate investment trusts. Entrepreneurship. Invest in your own business or promising startups. Entrepreneurship. Starting a business is one of the most effective ways to generate significant income. Find a profitable niche. Identify a problem in the market and offer an innovative solution. Use tools like Google Trends or market analysis to spot opportunities. Scale your business. Automate processes using technology. Hire an efficient team that allows you to focus on strategy and growth. Digital monetization. Take advantage of the internet to reach a global audience. E-commerce, selling physical or digital products. Affiliate marketing. Content creation, YouTube, blogs, podcasts. Generating passive income. Passive income is key to building wealth without relying solely on your time. Rental properties. Purchase properties in strategic locations. Use platforms like Airbnb to maximize earnings. Financial investments. Invest in bonds, dividend-paying stocks, and index funds. Automate contributions through systematic investment plans. Selling digital assets. Create online courses, write ebooks, or develop mobile apps. These products require initial effort but generate recurring income. Debt reduction and risk management. Building wealth is difficult with high-interest debt and without a clear risk management strategy. Eliminate high-interest debt. Prioritize paying off debts like credit cards. Use the snowball or avalanche method to reduce them quickly. Secure your assets. Get insurance to protect your health, life, and assets. Maintain an emergency fund equivalent to 6 months of expenses. Networking and mentorship. Access to the right people can accelerate your path to $1 million. Build strategic relationships. Attend networking events. Connect with successful entrepreneurs and investors. Find a mentor. Look for someone with proven experience who can guide you and help you avoid costly mistakes. Offer value in return, such as support on projects or research. Tax optimization. Taxes are one of the biggest burdens for wealth creators. Learn to minimize them legally. Use tax incentives. Contribute to retirement plans that offer tax benefits. Take advantage of deductions related to business or investments. Hire an accountant. An expert can identify opportunities to reduce your tax burden. Keep detailed records of your income and expenses. The importance of patience and persistence. Building wealth takes time. Stay focused on the process, even when the results are slow. Set realistic goals. Break down the goal of $1 million into smaller milestones, like saving or earning $100,000 first. Celebrate intermediate achievements. Recognizing your progress will keep you motivated. Learn from failures. Every mistake is a lesson. Use them to adjust your strategy. Example of a 10-year plan. Here's an example of how to reach $1 million in a decade. First 2 years. Learn high-demand skills. Save 20% of your income. Invest in education and start a side business. Years 3 to 5. Scale your business. Invest consistently in index funds. Purchase your first rental property. Years 6 to 10. Generate passive income. Reinvest the profits from your businesses and investments. Diversify your income sources. Making $1 million is not a quick process, but it is entirely achievable with a strategic and consistent approach. The key is to combine income generation, saving, investing, and entrepreneurship. By applying these principles and staying focused on the long term, you can achieve this ambitious financial goal.